Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make really easy 3-ingredient banana waffles. All you need is a waffle maker and these 3 ingredients. I'm using coconut flour as my flour of choice, which makes these gluten-free, grain-free, paleo-friendly too. And I've got a couple of eggs I'm going to be using and some spotty bananas. I'm using 2 smallish sized bananas. You could use a bigger one instead. As you put the batter together, you'll see start with less and you might need to add another half a banana or so, just depending on the batter. But we're just going to get on and mix everything together. We're going to start by popping all the banana into a bowl. And then mashing it with a fork until you've got a smooth mashed mixture. Okay, that's looking kind of perfect. It's just really lovely mashed banana. And then we're going to whisk 2 eggs in. I'm actually going to switch to a little spatula here. That's what I like to use to mix. And just mix it through to incorporate well. Okay, happy with that. Now I'm just going to add in the coconut flour. Okay, I've got 1/4 cup of coconut flour going in, and we'll just mix it in until we have our waffle batter. And I've preheated my little waffle maker. I sprayed it a bit. I've got a little olive oil spray. I sprayed it so it doesn't stick, so just make sure however you normally make your waffles in your waffle maker so it doesn't stick, use that. You'll find if you just leave it for a few minutes, it does actually thicken up a little bit more. That coconut flour gets to work and makes lovely batter. Okay, that is perfect. And now we'll just pop it into our waffle maker. Okay, I've got my waffle maker here, and I'll just pop as much into each as will make lovely waffles. Obviously depend on the size of your waffle maker. And just spread it all around. And I'll pop into the other one as well. I find this mixture makes 2 really large waffles. If you want to make smaller ones, it'd probably make about 4. I tend to actually make these for my kids for either breakfast or breakfast for dinner, and just these 2 is perfect for us. Okay, the lid is down and we'll just let it cook until it's done. And the waffles are done. I like using an egg lifter to gently lift them out and pop them onto plate. Just like that. Beautiful pair of waffles. Only 3 ingredients, as you saw, make these lovely banana waffles. They're so easy to make and my kids just adore them. They taste a lot like banana bread and have 0 effort and are just so good. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give the recipe a try, and check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full step-by-step instructions and recipe. Although, as you saw, it's so easy. 3 ingredients, all you need for these lovely waffles. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!